So in the previous one we have discussed about that, for example, namespace my code and namespace library code, and we have the print message functions. So why exactly the namespace were being used? So to identify that which, for example, we are two developers working on two different things, so which developer are writing which functions and all. By that also, that is one kind of thing, that labeling the code, okay, labeling the functions, okay, that is why we use it, okay. But but there is another way also to write the actual namespace is, like for example, under the company there is a game engine and then called physics. So then it could have another one, for example, we can have another one called chemistry as well, okay. Here if you write chemistry, then under chemistry calculate, for example, enthalpy, okay, for example entropy, thro entropy, okay, or enthalpy, whatever exactly it is. So by that we can level it up, okay. It's just leveling, nested leveling and all, okay, nested, just like nested for loop, nested this namespace, okay. For example, here company, then game engine, then physics, and then calculate gravity. That is how you can call it. We can do the aliasing as well, like for example, namespace physics equal to, we can write entire the same thing, and then we can call the entire the function like this, okay. Using chemistry also we can do the same thing, okay. So that is all about namespace nesting, and what exactly you can, like, you can customize your code and all, everything. But now there is a very crucial question comes into the picture. Why writing like this one using namespace, okay, using namespace std is not a good practice for production servers, production codes, okay. Why developers don't use it in C++? We will talk about it in the next reel. Follow me to know more insights about C++ and programming world and other stuffs, okay. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much.